Did you pass a real estate exam? But now you're thinking, maybe I don't want to take the traditional real estate agent's career path? Well, you're still in luck because there's a number of non-traditional career choices in the world of real estate that will make you happy and fulfilled and excited and will also provide you with a nice paycheck. So in today's video, we will take a look at 4 of those non-traditional career choices, the qualities, qualifications, and experiences you have to have in order to make the most out of them. Choice number 1, the real estate consultant, aka the communicator. This is a challenging career choice that requires you to be good at guiding people, managing rental income and expenses, developing long-term strategies, and communicating. Then it will probably pay you well. For instance, a real estate consultant might work with a large corporation to advise them on their portfolio of office buildings, including assisting lease negotiations or evaluating potential acquisitions or dispositions. Choice number 2, real estate attorney, aka the legal powerhouse. Well, if you are prepared to take a bar exam and get serious legal training, plus you are interested in the world of real estate and you have the exam under your belt, then this is ultimately one of the most rewarding non-traditional paths you can take with a really nice paycheck. A real estate attorney uses their expertise in both the law and real estate transactions, etc., to provide invaluable advice and protection to clients, navigating complex issues like housing court and negotiations with ease, while ensuring that all the transactions are conducted in a legally sound, clear manner. Their work might include representing a client in a housing court dispute, such as a landlord-tenant dispute or an eviction case, helping client to understand the legal options and prepare for the court proceedings. Choice number 3, real estate developer, aka the risk taker. It is a riskier real estate career path than the usual. However, as all risks, this one brings a potentially larger reward as well. Currently, the average annual pay for a real estate developer in the US is around $73,000 a year. What does a real estate developer really do? For example, a real estate developer's work could be the redevelopment of a commercial property into a modern shopping center or apartment complex, which involves the acquisition of the land, obtaining necessary permits and approvals, working with architects and engineers to create a design, and managing the construction process itself. They may also be involved in marketing and leasing the finished project to potential tenants. Choice number 4, real estate wholesaler, aka the creative. Well, the wholesaler not only creates value for themselves and the investors, but also potentially contributes to the revitalization of a neighborhood. It is not a must to get a real estate license to qualify as a wholesaler, but it definitely comes in handy. And if you're creative and entrepreneurial, then this might be the right choice for you. A real estate wholesaler is a savvy and opportunistic player in the industry, constantly on the lookout for undervalued properties that can be purchased at a discount, quickly resold to investors for a profit, requiring a keen eye for potential and an understanding of the local market as well as creativity. The wholesaler may also work with the investors to negotiate a fair price and terms of the sale and coordinate the closing process with all parties involved. In conclusion, the real estate industry is much more than just buying and selling homes. You have so many different career options available for you, each coming with their own challenges and rewards. And if you are interested in exploring more of those non-traditional options, then please check out our other videos where I explain them in more detail. And don't forget, you will find your own way into the industry. Thank you for watching.